Saving money and energy doesn't have to be hard. As a matter of fact, you and your family can start saving money today. Make sure to take full advantage of My Energy on PG&E.com. There's a lot of helpful tools and information here, and it's super easy to use. First, start by setting up an account, and all you need to get started is an email address and a phone number or a meter number associated with your account. Once you're signed up, you can see how easy it is to view your usage day by day and even compare your energy use to similar households in your area. And this way, you get smart about your energy consumption. So those are just a few quick and easy tips to help you get started saving energy today. And don't forget, PG&E has a lot of energy-saving programs and rebates. So visit My Energy on PGE.com and see which program might be just right for you. Together, we're building a better California.